Creating your website with Google Sites, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to our tutorial on how to create your own website using Google Sites. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, or someone with a passion to share, having a website can open doors to countless opportunities. And with Google Sites, you can build your online presence quickly and easily without any prior coding knowledge. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of creating a professional-looking website on Google Sites. From setting up your account to customizing your site's design and adding content, we've got you covered. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your very own website up and running, ready to showcase your ideas, projects, or business to the world. So let's dive and get started on building your website with Google Sites. For people who don't know what Google Sites is, Google Sites offers a hassle-free website building experience, allowing you to focus on content creation rather than technical complexities. It's a platform or a free platform provided by Google, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their budget or technical expertise. Whether you're a small business owner, a student, or an enthusiast wanting to share your passions with the world, Google Sites empowers you to create professional-looking website with ease. Then let's start our tutorial. First of all, you need to open your web browser and navigate to the Google Sites website by typing sites.google.com into the address bar. If you're not already signed in to your Google account, click on the sign in button in the top right corner and enter your username and password to sign in. As you can see, I am already signed in. That's why I have this Google Sites homepage. Here you can click on this plus icon to create a new site or just add a new page or inserting content blocks or incorporating various features into your website. So let's click here. As you can see, with a blank site, but to move faster, we'll quickly select a template. You can just click over here and choose a template that suits the content and corresponds to your website requirements. We have here different templates, as you can see. We have templates related to the work, our personal templates, and for the small business, education, different template that we have here. Let's choose one. For example, the first one. As you can see, starting with a pre-designed template offers a range of benefits that streamline the website development process and empower you to create a professional, visually appealing website easily. Here on the right side hand of the screen, we've treating to modify your website with insert, pages, and themes. So for insert function allows you to add various types of content elements to your website. This include text boxes, images, videos, links, maps, calendars, and more. Let's say under, for example, under this text, I would like to add a content block with, for example, these two images. The only thing you have to do is select the place where you want to put it, and then, for example, I will select here, and then you click. As you can see, I can add images or videos, and I can add to text down below. Moreover, there is a variety stuff you can add it to your website. For example, collapsible group, table of contents, image, carousel, and other thing related to Google, such as YouTube or map or docs. You can add whatever you want and need in your website. Second function is pages. This function is referring to the individual sections or web pages that make up your website. Each page is certain specific content or information related to a particular topic or aspect of your site. You can create pages here, editing, organizing, and if you no longer need a page, you can delete it. The third function is themes, as you see here. Here you can choose theme what you want. For example, as you can see, theme of the website is changing. And here if or here is the name of your website, and if you wanna add a logo too. Let's see the other options. For example, we do have ability of Indo and radio, and the important one is here is helping you to know if your website need modification on how it looks like with, for example, phone or tablet or with large screen. And if you finish your website and you wanna make it accessible to the public on the internet, you need just to click over here, publish, and it becomes viewable by anyone with the link. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.